going to talk about our Teflex range of connectors. These are each used for chemical applications, places where you might have strong acids or bases that would generally eat away at some of our other connectors. They're also used in very high temperature applications, so we can use these up to 300 degrees. The Teflex woven here, that can be used up to about 280 degrees. So this particular material here, our Teflex MP Opaque, it's a semi-see-through material, semi-transparent, so you can see your product flowing. It's also used in applications where you might not want to use a black connector for product quality reasons. It is an insulative material, so we don't use these in explosive atmospheres. For that, we use our Teflex MP Black. This has all the same properties as a Teflex MP Opaque, but it does have a small additive of carbon black in it. What that does is it decreases the surface resistivity, making this a very, very good connector to use in explosive environments. This has our best rating in terms of ATEX of all of our connectors. So when you're using connectors in explosive environments, if you have something that is very strongly charge generating, this is the connector material that you want to use. We've also got our Teflex woven here. Teflex woven is a breathable material, so it does let out some of the powder that you might have in your process, but only a very, very small amount. You can use this in applications where you might need some breathability. You might have a bit of movement as well. This material can withstand small amounts of movement, and generally same applications it's used in chemical.
Thanks for watching, everyone. And if you have any further technical questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.